Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the driver's side to the right of the pedals. With a socket wrench and a 7mm socket, unscrew the 3 screws on the cabin filter flange. Remove the cover. Once removed, take the cabin filter and pull it towards you to extract it from the compartment. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Make sure you identify the airflow arrows in order to position it the right way round. Don't hesitate to fold the filter to insert it more easily. Put the flange back on and then screw the 3 retaining screws in with a socket wrench and a 7mm socket. Operation completed.